Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notification for our latest tech tutorials. Today we're going to walk you through the easiest way to enable Secure Boot on your Windows 11 PC. Secure Boot helps protect your system from malware and unauthorized access during the boot process. Let's get started. First, we need to access the BIOS or UEFI settings. Click on the Start menu, then select Settings. Under Settings, click on System and then Recovery. Under the recovery options, you'll see an option for Advanced Startup. Click Restart Now. Under this section, your computer will restart and take you to a blue screen with several options. Once you're in the blue screen, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Here you'll find the UEFI firmware settings. Click on it and then select Restart to enter the UEFI BIOS setup. Now that you're in the BIOS UEFI setup, use the arrow keys to navigate to the Boot tab. There you should find an option for Secure Boot. If it's disabled, use the Enter key to change the setting to enabled. On some systems, you might need to enable UEFI mode instead of legacy mode. Make sure your UEFI is selected under the boot mode options. After enabling Secure Boot, navigate to the Exit and select Save Changes and Exit. Your computer will restart and boot into Windows 11 with Secure Boot enabled. And that's it. You're now successfully enabled Secure Boot on your Windows 11 PC.